Welcome to date night again. And tonight we're going to talk about how to take care of yourself. Maybe a break after a workout, yoga, a little hike trip. We're going to make a lassi that started in Punjab, India, and it's the precursor to smoothies and milkshakes all over the world. So let's start on our base. And you can keep this base in your refrigerator for up to 5 days, make different variations. It's your choice on what to put in there, but this will allow you to skip a few steps. There we go. Today we're using a goat's milk yogurt that's local, and it's not real thick like Greek yogurt, so you don't have to use as many liquids to thin it out. But if you had Greek yogurt, I would recommend using some coconut water, and that's going to give you a lot of those electrolytes that you need, and a little pickup after that exercise. So we're going to put in some cinnamon, and instead of sugar today, we're going to use a monk fruit, and this is equal parts or equal to sugar 1-to-1, but reacts with your body a little bit differently. And we're just going to use about a quarter cup of that. Some lime juice, some fresh squeezed lime juice. And another quarter cup of that. Again, fresh squeezed is the way to go. There's no substitute. And then in this, we're going to put a little bit of vanilla. We like our Mexican vanilla here the best. So here we have our base. Hold on for the music. So like I said, this will stay in your refrigerator for up to 5 days. You can make one a day, one every other day. But this is the classic lassi that you get from Punjab. Now, what's missing? Rose water. Now, not everybody likes rose water, so I make a rose water ice cube for those people that don't, or do, actually. So let's make our version of a PBJ today. So it's a peanut butter, protein, and jelly smoothie, or lassi. First thing we're going to put in is 2/3 of a cup of our base mix. Then we're going to put in a little bit of peanut butter, and this peanut butter is made with coconut oil, blended coconut oil. So that coconut water, that would really go well and strengthen that coconutty flavor. We're going to put in our frozen banana. I always keep frozen bananas because I can never eat all of them. And then our protein powder. A couple tablespoons of that. And then the magic ingredient is Chambord. Chambord's a black raspberry liqueur, and I think I was saying before, it's like giving it a shot of wine, really. It's 15–16% alcohol, so don't worry about getting drunk or feeling tipsy afterwards. Put it all in a blender, and I like my little magic bullet for these. Hearing is the frozen banana going around, making everything colder. So there you have it. You have a PB&J right there. Now, if you like, we can put in a few rosewater ice cubes. And this will give it a little bit of a flavor that's unique, of course. And it'll thicken it up and make it a lot cooler. And if some people like rose water and some people don't, you can make this interchangeable. And there you have it. This is for someone who weighs about 130 pounds, it's all the protein you need for the day. So it's a ton of protein, ton of flavor, and it's really the best PBJ you'll ever eat or drink. Enjoy. Oh yeah, the rose water's awesome in there. Thanks, guys.